Hey there, how are you today? My name is Dana Damara, and I want to talk just a little bit about the Essential Oils 101 workshop that I have online. So, first of all, it's a workshop anybody can take, and it gives you so much information about how to use essential oils. I found that I was repeating myself whenever I was talking to people on the phone about how to use essential oils in their life, and that everybody I talked to had the same questions. So I thought, all right, I'm going to create this course online. And it really is supportive of anyone wanting to um, use essential oils as a health mechanism in their life, as a lifestyle. Some people start using essential oils because it smells good. And almost always everybody goes to lavender first. When I say essential oils, I say lavender. And that's true. It's a really good one to reduce anxiety and stress and calm the mind and the nervous system. But so much more than that. Essential oils are so much more than that. In my humble opinion, they are plant medicine in a way. So this course is made for anybody. This course is made for anybody who's interested in adding this dimension of health and wellness into your practice, into your lifestyle. And please, if you decide you want to use essential oils, please reach out to me. Um, I use Doterra. I'll always use Doterra. It is the most amazing product I've ever used in my life, and my body has saved my life many times, has helped me heal from injury, and just I can't say enough about it. So please reach out to me with questions if you do want to get started. Yeah, this is just a beautiful way to kind of support yourself in your health and well-being. And the course is available anytime. So again, reach out to me if you have any questions. Otherwise, please, in the meantime, have an epically blessed day. Namaste.